3 days to put up those railings and only about an hour to take them all down. Yes, I love that little 2-year-old following me all around, up until the point when he steals the tools. Yeah, some of those are a bit too expensive to lose. Don't worry, guys. Yes, I am going to be keeping 99% of this decking, and that's because I'm going to be making one sweet playhouse extension next year. The deck is gone. Yep, this is why we had to take it down, okay? This is where I'm standing. Brand new kitchen. We're gonna have the entry out that way. It'd be a patio, bigger family room, and up above, new master bedroom for the wife. She'll love it. Super stoked. It's gonna be a really busy summer.